Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting precise facts, the exact plate characters, when and where you saw the vehicle, and any photos you have. Once done, document why you need the owner's phone number, for example, an accident or harassment, because agencies will require a legitimate purpose. Make sure you have your ID, any police report number, and contact info ready before you proceed. These items speed up official requests and explain why privacy rules should be waived. Next, go to the proper official channel. You can submit a records request to the state DMV or equivalent agency, complete their form, attach your ID, and pay any fee. If the issue involves safety or a crime, file a police report and ask law enforcement to obtain the owner's contact as part of the investigation. If needed and legal in your jurisdiction, hire a licensed private investigator to follow formal discovery procedures. When you receive results, verify names and addresses before you try to contact anyone, because mistakes happen and misidentification can cause harm. If your request is denied, request a written explanation and follow the agency's appeal process. Often a court order or subpoena is the lawful next step. If you face delays or need urgent action, consult an attorney who can file for compelled disclosure. Troubleshooting tip: if records are withheld, obtain a formal court order rather than trying covert methods.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.